Hello everyone! Today we are going to talk about Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra, which released in August 2020. Here, we open this exquisite packaging. The phone feels good in hand. It has a 6.67-inch screen and weighs 221.8 grams. It's configured with a Snapdragon 865 processor. The CPU architecture is Kryo 585 and 7nm FFP process. The biggest selling point of Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra is the 120-watt charger. The 4500 mAh battery can be fully charged in 23 minutes. Here is the phone case and a headset adapter. Now tear off the protective film on the phone's screen. The rear camera is super equipped with a 48 million pixel super telephoto and ultra-wide camera and HDR10 video shooting. Strong and powerful, it brings a top-level image that is comparable to professional photography. It has a high-definition front camera with 20 million pixels. It has good performance in photography and video. An oleophobic coating is necessary in phones at this price point. In the first step, the shower test, Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra showed no pressure at all. It seems that making a phone call in a rainstorm is possible. Put the mobile phone into the water tank with a depth of 20 centimeters. About 2 minutes later, there are suddenly many bubbles. If you have any idea, please leave a message and tell us. Don't forget to click on the bell icon. You can receive our information as soon as it is posted. We take it out of the water and the phone still works normally at this time. In order to avoid a short circuit caused by water intrusion, we powered off the phone. We can find through the transparent battery cover that a lot of water has entered into the phone. Let's check what's going on inside. There is water in the SIM card tray. When we tear down the battery cover, there is water intake already. The waterproof sign has turned red. The waterproof grade of Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra should be 3 to 4, which can deal with daily life waterproof.